What's going on, my people? Hope you guys are doing good today. What my project is, I need to take care of this headlight, so we got to replace this headlight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a headlight from a 2015 Nissan Versa. So check it out. Stay tuned. First things first, of course, we pop the hood. Jesus. Hood was right there. Pop the hood. Alright, there we go. Now we get the lever so we can prop the hood up in place. Now these ones have a little tiny one right there. So one moment. Alright guys, now I think this was one of the most important parts, which is how to remove the front bumper on your 2015 Nissan Versa. And it's super simple, okay? First things first, I'm gonna show you on the bumper itself, okay? Check it out. All these holes up here, all those are little clips. So you just pop the clips out, take the clips up from the top, and then do the same thing with the bottom. Get underneath the car. Mine didn't come with inner fenders, so you don't have to worry about this. But those are T20 Torx bits. You take all these off, and then you pop all these clips that you see here, these little holes. And then these two are 10mm bolts. You take these off, you take these clips off all the way around, okay? So once you do that, on each side, if you're looking at the car like that and the headlights right there, right here, you look underneath, right there, that's a 10mm bolt. There's two on each side holding it. So once you take it off, just pull in the bumper and it's gonna fall. You go on the other side, pull the other side, and do the same thing. And remember, I don't have inner fenders, so yours may look a little different. Now, this is what it looks like, okay? It's all good. We just have to remove the bumper to get to this headlight. Alright, there you go. I don't have to do anything from outside. Okay, so once you have removed the bumper, our next step is going to be to remove 3 10mm bolts. One's right here, okay? The second one is right here in front of the headlight. I don't know if you can see it right there. And the third one is up here. So let's get removing those, and let's do a little YouTube magic, and let's get back to the video. Okay, so once you have removed those 3 bolts from there, the headlight should be loose. But the reason why it isn't going anywhere is because there's this tab right here that you have to lift up and then pull out. Okay, once you pull out, it comes out, and voila, your headlight is out. Now it's time to disconnect all this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and need 2 hands for this. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, well once you have unplugged the top one right there, which is, you just press into this tab and then you pull it out. And then this one right here is a little trickier. You peel back the rubber. It's actually easy. Look, you see those little things? They clip onto they hook onto there, I should say. So the trick is to get them like this. All right, like that. So you just push them down on both sides, and then pull it off from the light like that, and then you'll be able to release it. Now the very bottom one is fairly easy to get to. It's right here, as a matter of fact. Is this clip. You just press in and then you pull it out, and then your headlight is pretty much free. So you're just free to pick it up from the car. There you go. So that is how you remove a headlight from a Nissan Versa 2015 and up. Okay, so if you ever decide to replace your headlight bulb and your headlight, that's how you do it. Simple process if done step by step, you know. So guys, after waiting for a little bit, we finally got the part in. Check out this spanking brand new headlight. Oh man, she looks so fucking sexy. All right.
And now, it comes with the bulb.
Yeah, the beautiful thing about this is that it's 100% assembled. So it comes with your bulbs. You don't have to transfer old parts to the new parts. So we're gonna go ahead and reinstall it, okay? Here we go. Just like I showed you earlier, the same process. We're gonna go ahead and just put it back together. And yeah, so let's do that right now. We gotta go ahead and line it up. We're gonna line it up here. Struggle a little bit with this. This lines up right here, which means oh, here it is. Okay, perfect. All right, come over here. Let me show you. Let me show you something. All right. So the way you know it's lined up is look at this. First things first, you line up yourself with this, and you put this little dot right here. Make sure that it lines up on this groove. One. All right, and then number two, right here, if you come around, you see this little groove right here, and the plastic lines up with it, sticks up. Now look at this. Okay. If you look at it, the plastic piece right there lines up. Here, let me show you. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm so sorry. This plastic piece right there, right on top of that little nut, that's the headlight lining up. So you got line up this first bolt right here, the little hook on the side, and then that one. So now we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, or bolt it in at least just a little bit so it can stay in place, and then we'll bolt everything. We'll plug everything in for you. All right, so once you have plugged in your headlight, just leave it in place and make sure that it works. Have somebody come in there. All right, go ahead, turn it on. Turn the key on, but the car off.
On.
All right, key on, car off, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, now turn the light on.
Like that?
All right, turn the right directional. There we go. We're golden.